Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
U Dr. Lichumu Timuri, MBBS, MD Medicine, DM Cardiology. U Dr. Ubasumar Klongsnam bat Kithitsnam. On Sdang Yakajing Sumar Naduka Shitrik Ulbeat Arajar Arfusan Hawallan Hospital Shillong.
Kajingpoy jogi Nongthep vote haki Arpukanatli ki constituency Rilum Khasi hadu kapor lai baji no phaisngi kalong 0.4% but Rilum Jaiñtia kajingpoy jogi Nongthep vote kalong 0.4% tat hadu kapor lai baji no phaisngi yakani lapentep daw commissioner and secretary jongkatran district council affairs ka Sorkha Jilla uba Cyril V Diengdo ha kajinga kran bekla pathai kubor ha kapor janmi jongka arpuitri rumphang acha phasan but uniu he officer lapentep ru ba ya kajing khen ka bapura ansalaban ai sakham kattu ka nipor
70%. See, these are all reports as of 3 p.m. So there are constituencies having more than 80% also.
Okay.
So, we'll give you the updated list by the evening because the updated list as of close of poll will be the correct indicator to tell you. But we are giving you the average figures because some are having 80%, some are having even 60%, some are above 50%. So these of course depends on, some are also a bit far-flung, voting takes time.
Which constituency it has 80?
Let me repeat so that there's clarity. Jaiñtia Hills as of 3 p.m. up to 3 p.m. is 70% cumulative for all constituencies. KHEDC is 60% cumulative for all constituencies. Some of the constituencies which have 80% as of 3 p.m. for example are in Jaiñtia Hills, Mokayao for example, reported 81% at 3 p.m. Then another constituency under Jaiñtia Hills, Nartyang Wahaje reported 80% at 3 p.m. Another constituency in Jaiñtia Hills, War East reported 83% at 3 p.m. In the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the average is a little lesser, like we said, and some of them are reporting between 60 to 70% at 3 p.m. But these numbers are expected to go up because the poll will has closed at 4 p.m. So as and when we get the updated figures for all these constituencies, we will share with the press in terms of the actual poll percentage. But please await. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, for East Khasi Hills District, there will be 3 counting centres. SDO Civil Sora Office for Sora Civil Subdivision. For Pinnusla Civil Subdivision, the SDO Civil Office in Pinnusla. And for East Khasi Hills District, those constituencies falling under East Khasi Hills District, it will be in ISBT Maulai. The rest of the counting centres are the existing counting centres that are DC office etc. in all the other locations.
But one more thing, people are not well because in the previous election you have seen.
No, what you have seen is in the election conducted by Election Commission of India.
Same procedure can follow.
The elections for district council are conducted under the Assam and Meghalaya Constitution of District Council Rules 1951 as amended from time to time. So this provision has not been incorporated yet, the one you're mentioning. Therefore, we are following, as per the rules. These have to be amended by the councils and then approved by the government. So it doesn't automatically apply all the